So let us move on to the next session. That is, we'll do a hands-on session now. So we'll do the second tutorial, that is dilutions and pH measurement. So again, like we did in the morning, we'll do side-by-side method. Please open your Chem Collective Virtual Lab software to one side of the screen, and then the tutorials, the offline tutorials to the other side, and then open the dilutions and pH measurement tutorial, and it explains how you dilute a stock solution to different dilutions and measure the pH. And also it also talks about how to do a experiment on the common ion effect, which Dr. Padma has just now explained. So you can do hands-on now. So can you all start that? So I need an answer from you. Can you please write in the chat window? Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. So I'll present my screen and show the practice problem for the next one. Oh, someone is asking, please show the side-by-side method again. Okay, yeah, let me show once again to you all. I'll share my screen. This is the Chem Collective Virtual Lab software interface. So you will have two windows, one for software, okay, that is a chemistry virtual lab software. Okay, open that and then keep it to one side. Then you open the tutorials, which will teach you how to use this software. Okay, so I'll open that window, which morning I have, or maybe I'll show you again how to open. I'll show you again. So you have this spoken tutorial. You have this is a zip file. I'll show again how to extract it. Right click. My computer has slowed down a little bit. I don't know why. So okay, extract here. So I am extracting again. So extract the zip file. So then you will see, you will get it on your screen wherever you have extracted, be it in the downloads folder or whichever folder your zip file is, there it gets extracted. It's extracting. So let's wait. Okay. So let me open. Okay. So you will find 4 files in that folder, the extracted folder. So you right click on this index.html and open with either Google Chrome or open with Firefox web browser. Okay. So let me open with Firefox web browser. So it's taking some time. So yeah. So here. So you will see a screen like this when you open the file in your browser. Select FOSS category. Click on select FOSS category. Select FOSS category. Then the drop down, it will show Chem Collective Virtual Labs. Click on it. Then select language. In the select language field, okay, again you click. It will show English. Click on English. Click on the submit button. Okay. So when you click on the submit button, you will see a list of tutorials. There are around 13. So these are all the learning material available for you to learn Chem Collective Virtual Labs. Okay. Every tutorial will show you some feature on how to use this virtual lab. So you can listen to the tutorial and then learn how to use the virtual lab. Okay. So this is a learning material for you. Download and installation is also there. So morning, I have asked you to practice preparation of standard solutions. I hope you have all done it. If not, today after this session you can do in your free time. Okay, and I have given you the practice problems also. That also you can do. We can discuss tomorrow. So the next tutorial you're going to do is dilutions and pH measurement. This will show how to dilute an already made stock solution and then measure its pH. Because we have the pH measuring instrument available, pH meter available in the virtual lab interface. So this tutorial will show you how to do it. Okay. So click on this window, this icon, the video icon next to the dilution and pH measurement. Click on it. So the video will open, click on the player. So before you play the video, what you do is you just minimize by dragging the corners. You can see here corner, my corner of the this window here. I can decrease and increase. So it will give you that L-shaped icon, the tool to drag. Okay. So you can drag that and then minimize or bring it to whatever shape or sorry, whatever size you would like comfortably. So where you can watch it yeah, I'll close all these. So what you do is you keep this to one side, the virtual lab, the software interface, and then tutorial to another side. Okay, this is called a side by side method, which Kannan sir has explained in the morning. So this is a software window, this is a tutorial. By you see and then you will learn. Okay, so click on it, then it will start playing. So here, put on your earphones here. So it says how to dilute a solution of 0.1 HCl to 0.01 HCl. So 10 times dilution it will show. Okay. And there is a demonstration on how to do it. You will repeat step by step what is said in the video and then you are going to learn. This is how you are learning the virtual lab interface. Okay. So this is called as side-by-side learning and self-learning. So there is no teacher. The tutorials are your teacher. So please listen and then learn. Okay. I hope it's clear to you now and you all will be able to do it. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So I'll share my screen and show you the practice problem also. So after you finish, you have half an hour time to practice the video and then another 15 minutes to do the practice problem. So you have 45 minutes. So by 4 o'clock, I think you should be able to finish this tutorial. So I'll show you the practice problem now. I'll share my screen. Okay, so this is the morning's practice problem 1. So let me go to the next slide. Dilutions and pH measurements. So you will do dilutions and pH measurements tutorial now. Practice it side by side. It may take 10 to 15 minutes and solve the practice problem. So practice problem 2 is given here. So can you all see? So after you learn what is there in the tutorial, you will be definitely able to do this practice problem. So you have a concentration of, there is a flask of HCl. There's a bottle of HCl which is labeled as 11.6 molar. You have to dilute and make 500 ml of 3 molar solution out of this. Okay. So please do the calculations. You know, you are all our teachers. So this is very simple calculation. So we'll show the solutions also by the end of today, or I'll just post the solutions in the folder, or we can discuss tomorrow also. So go to load homework, molarity density, dilution problem 2. Okay. There you will find the same, you will find all the chemicals which are required. Can you all see now? I have shared the presentation. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So please watch the tutorial. It is named as dilutions and pH measurements. It is 4th in the series. So when you open your series of tutorials, you have done the first one, preparation of standard solutions. Next to that, below that is dilutions and pH measurements. So please click on that and then it will open in a new tab. So play the tutorial and then you can practice side by side.
Ma'am, can I speak to you, ma'am? Yeah, please go ahead. What?
Sir, I have the lab on one side. I have downloaded the extract. I am coming to index HTML. Then I am choosing the ChemLab app. Then I am choosing the language English. When I submit, nothing is happening. After I press the submit key, nothing is happening. I'm still stuck. Even one experiment I have not tried, sir. Please.
What browser are you using?
My Logitech cursor only, sir.
No, browser. Are you opening in
Browser.
Internet Explorer? Are you opening in Internet Explorer?
Oh, you want me to check on that, sir?
Yeah. You have to open using Firefox or Chrome, right?
Oh, right, sir. Then I'll do it again. Now, I understood the steps, sir, but I was not able to proceed after that. That's why I asked.
You have to follow exactly what we say. Yeah.
So, Firefox.
You can use Firefox or Chrome, not
Chrome.
Internet
Okay, sir.
Explorer.
I'll try now.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.